please subscribe her channel. Bobby, how do I look? Boy, did you scare? Always use fragile sellotape. Hi guys! Dun, 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 dun. So today it's an amazing day. I know as an artist we all want to see when our creation be sold and we post it and somebody love to buy your item, and that is so beautiful feeling. I can't even explain, because you feel so much appreciation, you feel so much happiness, encouragement, support. It's unbelievable feeling, because all your hard work in the end get paid, and you can buy more item, you can buy more clay, you can buy whatever you like. For example, this camera, you can buy the camera, all the microphone, everything, you know, as everything is like, as you see here is my microphone, and you can buy it, and that is so supportive, and that is so much. And thank you for everybody who is collecting my dolls, and really grateful from my heart, my deeply heart. So today I will show you who is just starting. If you don't know about posting, I show you around how to poster your doll, whatever you create. You put sellotape fragile and very packed very well, and if you shake it, it's no moving, no any sound of moving your item. If inside you put something small and start moving around, that's it, you're gonna get break or something like that. But make sure it's not moving anything. It's like solid package. And remember, always put your address in a paper plastic protector, because you don't know, maybe it's a rain, maybe it's some bad weather or something. It will protect all your written address on there. Yeah, going to post office. Yay!
You made my day, you made my day, you made my day, oh, day. You made my day, you made my day, you made my day, oh, day, oh. Princess of mine, what have I done to deserve your royal time?
So now we are in the post office, and let's go and send this creation. Yeah, so now I'm walking. I hope it's not gonna be busy. Usually it's not busy, that's why I like this post office. I love this post office because everybody very nice to me here. Hello. Yeah. Hello, how are you?
Thank you.
Can I send this here, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, I knew it's gonna be heavy. So that's sandwich. So that guy, I'm waiting, and when it's gonna be all done, and that's when I'm gonna send it all. So this is all done. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. So that's nice. I'm happy. So I can go and just relax. I always send my dolls with tracking number, because when you do tracking number, it's more safer, because if your item is lost, then you can complain, and by tracking number they will find out where your item, because believe me guys, don't be lazy, pay a little bit more and get a tracking number. Yes.
You made my day. You made my day. Oh, day. You made my day. You made my day. You made my day. Oh, day. Oh.